to the channel. We've got an awesome one for you today. We just stopped by the car wash here real quick, get the cars cleaned. I'm heading over to my buddy's Tim's house. He just got a brand new NSX. And so we are going to head over there and we're going to install a new intake on the car. We'll see how that goes. We don't know exactly what we're doing, but we're going to give it our best shot. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Let's get to it. Alrighty, well, we are here. Oh yeah. That blue looks so good in this overcast. Look at how good this blue looks, guys. It's gotta be one of my favorite colors out right now. Yeah, it really, it's just incredible.
On the NSX, I think it might be the prettiest color on the NSX.
Then these are the wheels that go on the NSX.
Yeah, took them off.
It still looks good stock, man. It's amazing with the stock. Now you can tell it's lowered. With the stock wheels on it. Yeah. Now you can tell it's been lowered. For sure. The only thing that stinks about this paint is you can't wash it right when you get it, and you have to be incredibly careful with it.
Yeah, if you look at it too hard, it scratches the paint.
Yeah, literally, if you look at it too hard, it scratches. So y'all saw this beast at the Dice car meet. This is the toy that I got to drive. This is a Stage 3 twin turbo Dallas Performance Gallardo. It is super, super clean. It's got all the goodies. It's got these beautiful HREs on it. Good stuff here. Driving this thing definitely was one of the greatest road experiences I've ever had. It was just absolutely vicious. So this is his other toy right here. It's a 2013 GTR. It is 100% fully built, over 1,200 horsepower. It's on air ride. It's up right now. And it's dirty. And then this is the other one that we will actually be diving into today. This is a 2017 Acura NSX.
Yeah.
I wish this coming through on the camera, but man, this color. All right, so we actually have instructions. Here are the two new pieces. Red, to match the blue and red theme. Tim didn't like these. Y'all seen these. These are crappy. These are good. And red. Nice new charge pipe. Looks good. All right, so we have two charge pipes here. They go. See the instructions here. We're not gonna use the clamps. We've laid out some blankets so we don't scratch the car. And we've gotta get that top piece of the engine cover off to be able to access the charge pipes right there. This is how 10 tucks his NSX in at night. He wraps it all up in warm blankets and gives it a warm glass of milk and coaxes it to sleep. All right, so the bolts we gotta get to, that one right there, that one right there, that one up there, and that one up there. Who decided to show up? Are y'all hungover?
Very.
Yeah?
Very.
Are y'all hurting?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We had to get this for Ryan to climb in on.
Oh my God, it was horrible. Alrighty, so we successfully got the engine cover off. We have one last bolt. Tim's gonna take that off. And then we gotta get in here and we have to get these C-clamps off right there.
That blanket back down.
Well, I don't know if any of the viewers have ever seen this, but this is the inside of an Acura NSX without the engine cover on. Looks good. Took them long enough to develop. Now, we got One more in the very back there, in the corner, which it looks like this socket will work for.
I got you.
All right, so we're trying to get these back C-clamps right here, way in the back. So they put the Subaru mechanic with tiny hands in
Not to
here.
step on anything.
I want to try NSX.
How about we pull this one out first? This one,
side?
yeah, that one's loose already. Pull that, then maybe it'll swivel easier. You know what I'm talking
Yeah. So kind of just rotate it. So you want to grab it right at the
Twist.
right at the head of the shaft.
Let me try. Maybe this clamp needs to be loosened a little more.
about? No, it's all loose. It's moving.
Oh, there we go.
It might not. Yeah. It needs to loosen up a little bit more.
Oh hell yeah.
Sweet. There's one.
Anybody need a rubber?
Anybody need a rubber? Still not big enough.
Still not big enough.
All right, so we got the tough one off in the back.
There we go.
Whew.
Boom.
So,
You need a loop?
we might.
No, it
Nah.
slides right on.
Cool.
Yeah, that's no problem. Okay, just trying to figure out the easiest way to get a ratchet onto it.
What fuel is this?
109. Yeah.
That's the stuff for the Lambo.
$12.50 per
Lambo
gallon.
juice.
$12.50 per gallon.
Holy shit. C16's cheaper than that. That's crazy. Screw the NSX, we're taking gas.
Yeah, they leave the cars, they leave everything. They
Leave
just
the
roll out
wheels.
Whenever I drove it on 93.
Yeah, and if you drive it on race, that 109, that smell is clean.
Yeah, it's super clean. That car's so ridiculous to begin with that on 93 or 109, it's crazy.
It's completely different. Like the GTR is faster,
Yeah,
but holy crap, the pull on the Lambo is one of a kind.
one of a kind.
It's one of a kind.
It's sensory overload is what it is. All right, so we successfully got the stock charge pipes off. Now we're putting in the new clamps for the new charge pipes. All right, so we're getting the new charge pipe set up. What do y'all think of that candy red? It's gonna match the rest of the car. Gonna look fantastic. So 10's gonna be kind enough. Boy gets a ride in the Tesla.
Just the drive.
Okay.
It's recording already.
Alright, next thing I guess. Alright.
Holy shit. Jesus Christ, it's instantaneous.
I was like big toeing that. I've got to get one of these, man. I have got to get one of these.
Need some AC in this bitch.
Yep.
We need one.
Yeah.
Look, he has a little roller too.
Yeah.
He knows. Oh, that was fun.
So the new size is 20s in the front, 21s in the back. In the back, they're 325, 25 ZR21s. Alrighty.
One day I'll have
So, new charge pipes installed. What do y'all think? I think they look pretty good. So we got the red charge pipes.
Couldn't ask for a better
Yeah,
outcome.
those go to match the new rims. And that will continue the red and blue theme. Watch it. Let's see what this beast sounds like. Woo! Oh yeah. Well, there we go, guys. Nothing blew up. Nothing's popped off yet.
But those charge pipes.
Oh, God, they look good.
Once we change out those clamps too,
It'll look really good.
I might even go. I might return those and just go with a black.
Just a black.
Yeah. You know.
We got Aaron's 2J S2000. Y'all will actually see this in 2 weeks on the next episode of Tuned. 10's GTR. We talked about this one, fully built, incredible. And finally, the Lambo. Well, thank y'all for tuning in to another episode of Trackstar Media Works. Today we successfully put on 2 charge pipes on a 2017 Acura NSX. New rims put on. This thing looks pretty gnarly. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and that big thumbs up. Hit it. Just hit it.
Hit it.
Over and over.
Lick it.
Yeah. Don't lick the subscribe button.